Hello, hello. There we go. Just put my Ethereum address. If you guys wanna give back for all the value that you're getting, if you're getting value, I thought this could be a good idea for you guys to give some back if you want to. Only if you see value. How is everyone? And welcome to the people on the replay as well that will watch this today, tomorrow. Nice to see you. I just shaved. Let's talk crypto stocks, options, whatever that you want. I fixed the lighting here. Oops. There we go. That's nice. Feel free to ask me any question that you want. Let's get this started. I gained a lot of like 1,000, give or take, YouTube subscribers in the last 48 hours. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but probably YouTube, the algorithm just pushed the video to more people, and I assume people appreciate what they see. So I will take this as a good sign. So thank you for that. If you're new to my channel, I try to talk about value investing, stocks, crypto as well, of course, even though crypto is super crazy. But party is still a party as long as you make money. And yeah, I posted a video today about T-Mobile. It was like 3-4 minutes long because the original version that took me to shot and edit just I need a new computer. This one that I use, I bought it, believe it or not, I think 2015. Like 6 years back when I was still back home. 6 years computer, still great, but yeah, I need a new computer, new camera, new video, I don't know, software, recording, all that good stuff. So yeah, so basically go watch the T-Mobile video. But I'll tell you this, I'm not buying T-Mobile. And it wasn't a popular video because it wasn't AMC, GameStop, Palantir, Tesla, Neo, etc. And if you haven't noticed, guys, the market, the stock market, and I'll answer the question soon, guys. Just a little opening. The stock market in the last few months, I don't know if you noticed, you gotta change plans. The market is dry. Market is at all-time high. It's going up super slow. All the crazy stuff that you saw last year, everyone that are new to day trading or the stock market think it's the norm. It's not. It's the anomaly in the norm. It doesn't happen. So if you're still trying to do day trade based on Wall Street Bet, Reddit, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, whatever the case, it's not the same as a year ago, and you gotta do what you need to do. You gotta adjust and adapt, or event. There's a reason why 90, I would say even 95% of the day trader get washed out of the stock market within 24 months or less. I don't know the exact statistic. Go check Google, Wikipedia, all that stuff. There's a reason. Last year was insane, definitely not the norm. I see the same thing now with crypto. No day trading crypto. I just see like everything goes to the moon. And take another financial advice, but take profit. Take profit, otherwise it doesn't count. Eventually, this party will end, and I'm gonna tell you why. This round will end, not the whole party. Like this round will end. Simple reason, the same reason that it ended before. Well, nobody knows why it ended, but still, nothing changed regulation-wise. There's still no regulation. There was no regulation and all the crazy 2016, 2017 boom. And then 2 years later of red market, there's no more regulation now. The only difference between now and 3 years ago, two major differences. One, institutions are pumping insane amount of money into crypto market. That wasn't the case 3 years ago. This was all retail traders 3-4 years ago. So institutions are pumping insane amount of money. More retail traders, because of TikTok, YouTube, and everyone are home this past year, there's more awareness, or even more retail traders are pumping even more money. And basically there's still no regulation. But there's DeFi. There's DeFi, and this is people, again, people didn't have DeFi 3-4 years ago. They have it now. What does it mean? Can take $1,000, slap it on Uniswap liquidity pool, Balancer liquidity pool, Curve liquidity pool, 1-inch liquidity pool, and 50 others, cake, sushi, whatever the case, and get anywhere between, I don't know, 50 to 150% annual return. Legit, in my opinion, legit. Most of them, at least, if you stick to the major coins. And that wasn't the case. So a lot of people just parking their crypto. Crypto goes up, they get 100%, give or take, annual return on staking. That's a whole different story. A lot of people on TikTok ask me, can you do staking videos? I can, but it's not that simple in 60 seconds. I might do in the live if people want. There's a link to Ethereum donations if you want to, and the start of this will help greatly. If you guys don't know, I'm trying to reach the goal of go back and see my dad, and there's a big fee to do that. I'm not gonna write the number. Some of you know me. You know how much is needed, and the ones that don't, feel free to DM or something like that. But other than that, DeFi, you can make, as I said, 50 to 150% APY. Not the scam coins, the rug pools that you do 1,000, 10,000%. Those are all scams. You will lose your money. But if you put in a normal pool, legit pool, normal coins, the coins appreciate, and the annual return appreciate as well, so you enjoy. So less people are selling. Eventually, this party will end for this round. Nobody knows when. I just think that just like 3-4 years ago, before the party ended, all the coins did like crazy 100x in like 2 weeks. Like that was the average in the last 2 weeks of the bull run. And after that, of course, nobody sold, and then we start to go down for 2 years in a row. So keep that in mind. You don't know when everything will flip on you. The more new people are going into crypto, the more this point will come, I think. Let me know. That's water. Okay, let's see what we got in the questions. How about energy fuel, the 4Us? I love them. I keep saying this on my lives. The 4Us, this is a uranium play. You play on uranium. This is a green energy play. People don't know that or think that uranium is the worst of the worst. It produces about 75 to 80% of the worldwide energy. And a lot of that is clean energy. But uranium, if you read the news, it's like it's so bad, it's so evil. Don't use it. But the news is you know what the news does and how they want you to think. I love the 4Us. I think they are the leader in the US. I love them a lot more at $1.70 when the insiders start to buy, like I don't know, 3-4 months ago, something like that. It was like $6.50 the last time I checked, about a week or two ago. I don't know now, but yeah, it's a great pick. I don't know how much they are now. It's a play on uranium. Don't just play green energy on all the stuff that you see on TikTok. Uranium is a great pick for the green energy boom that should happen this decade. My price prediction for Cardano. I don't follow Cardano. There's millions upon millions of YouTube videos about Cardano. I'm not part of that just because when I did my research years ago, I didn't like what I see. It was all about to happen. There was like, I don't know, like a roadmap for the next 10 years or something. And they were like 3 years in the making. I don't know what's the status now. I know it's a lot more legit now that it's on Coinbase. I don't know if they're live. I know you can stake. I don't follow them. Tons of other people that are doing Cardano videos. Just because it's in the top 10 doesn't mean I need to buy that. Just BitConnect is an example. Uh, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you need to watch BitConnect YouTube memes. Paul, hi Ziv. Hello, Paul. How are you? Do I trade full time? No, never have, never will. There's no point of day trading. First, when you forget about, let's talk about day trading for a second. I did do a lot of day trading, but 15 years ago, when you were young and stupid, basically. Not financial advice, just reality from what I see. And you have tons of more energy and tons of more time and tons of time to make tons of mistakes, basically. When you're like, I don't know, 20 to 25, give or take that range, age-wise. But you do day trade, let's say. I pick a stock that I did my research and I think it will do well in the next, I don't know when. I just buy and hold for the next couple of years. That's why I'm very Motley full advocate. I'm a paid member, and you guys, I'm not gonna put the link here. Go watch my videos. There's a link to Motley Full, and I will touch that in a second. Motley Full, you pay $100 for a year. If you use the code, it's $99 instead of $199 for 1 year. So $100 instead of $200. 1 year subscription for the stock advisor. You get 2 stocks a month. That's crazy good. $100 a year. That's awesome. Use my link. I will get some kickback from them. A highly valuable subscriber, and their philosophy: pick anywhere between 10 and 15 stocks. Invest roughly, if you can, $1,000 on each from all their picks, and just let it sit for the next 5 to 10 years minimum. They have Netflix and Amazon sitting there for almost 20 years. Look where they are now, and tons of other picks. Just that's the buy and hold. If you day trade, let's say I bought Amazon, I don't know, 15 years ago. I made I don't know 10% and I sold it. Or now you buy options, you made some money. Most likely this started in 2021. You're down and you're in the red. This isn't Tesla going up. Buy Tesla calls anymore. This age is done. People don't want to realize that, but it's done. It's back to normal in the stock market. But the worst case, the worst part of day trading, other than it will take you years of your life and stress and money and frustration, and you will lose social, and you will be angry, and your life will be evolving around the stock market and your picks. Trust me, I've been there. The worst part of all of this is bad, but the worst part is the taxes. The taxes. That's insane. You pay short-term capital gain as your income. It's like 35%. You made $1,000 on a trade, one trade. You need to put aside like 300, 350 on that. You don't do that. Most likely you don't do it. You just roll it because you're high, because you made just $1,000 in like 2 hours. So you do another trade. Eventually, that bill will come and bite you in the rear at the end of the year. And that's just short-term capital gain. People don't talk about it. Other than all the stuff that I just mentioned, the stress, the time, the money, the way that you function around everyone when you're losing money, you can't even say anything. Remember, now it's like, I don't know, legit to do day trade because everyone are home and doing that. Wait a year until the market flips and dry. It's already started, and a lot of people will just vanish from that and move to the next thing. But 15 years ago, that wasn't the case. When I day traded options in another country, just imagine if I'm losing on a position, that's like, I don't know, half a salary that I'm losing in 2 hours. Who am I going to talk about? There was no TikTok, no YouTube, there wasn't a thing. I'm not going to tell my family, my friends, hey, I just lost 2 weeks of work in this trade that I took, and it goes against me since I took it like 2 hours ago. So you add shame to the day trading, and just it's too much. It's too much. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. 15 years later, it's not worth it. It's gonna eat you up, and just quit when you, at least in my opinion. And let me know if you think otherwise. Because again, 2020 in the stock market was not a normal year as a trader, and people don't know that. And people will learn that on their money and flesh eventually, sooner than later, I assume. Yes, sir, you gotta get a setup. Always gotta invest in yourself. Yep. Hi. Hello, Teresa from New York. How are you? Nathan, Ziv, is Facebook still a buy at 300 plus? You know what? I hate Facebook as a whole, but the stock is a different story. I hate Facebook and Instagram. I really do. Just I don't know how people use them, at least now. A couple of years ago, maybe, but now, no. Basically, I don't know if it's a buy. I need to do the comparison tool that I do basically once a month. Facebook was a buy 2 months ago. I did a video in March, top 3 stocks to buy in March. Facebook was around 250, 255, and this was one of my free picks. It's over 300 now, so if you're not a subscriber, you probably should. And if you're not donating, you probably should. Link to an Ethereum on the top of this chat. Let's see what else we got. When do you think this part of the party will end, Madison? The crypto party will end. It will end. Don't think those giant gains every single day, every single week is sustainable. And it's getting worse in the last, I don't know, I would say since April. If you check my comments or go to any other, I don't know, TikTok crypto people comments, the comments are insane, flooded with spam, like 80% spam, SafeMoon, Doge, and every other coin, and Doge. Yes, it is a scam. It's going to the moon because Elon Musk and Mark Cuban and retail traders. Doesn't mean you're not going to make money, but it is crap and there's no value. I apologize for my language. That doesn't mean you're not you could make insane amount of money if you bought at the right time. But you should see how many people are posting about SafeMoon. Seriously, just seriously. It doesn't mean you can't make money, because it's like the Ponzi scheme. You pump it, and then newbies are buying it because they think you just invest, I don't know, $100, you're gonna make $100,000. Sure, it's a nice dream. It's not gonna happen. It's a nice dream. Most likely it will go up, you will be very happy, and you will not sell, and then it will go down. That's the most likely scenario. But not just SafeMoon. SafeMoon was just the beginning. Now, most of my comments, like 80% of them, are saying like they're pumping new coins that are coming out like an hour ago. Buy this, I don't know, finance this, pump this, that, and so many crappy coins that are just coming out of the market. Like today, yesterday, go buy it, go buy it, go buy it. And that shows me the amount of spam and the amount of crap that's going out there, that we are like at the beginning of the top of the top. Now, before the top will end, most likely, and I hope for that to happen, we will see like 3-4 years ago, like 100x in 2 weeks in the entire market. Not all of them. There were coins telling you this was insane, and I didn't sell. I'm gonna tell you my story in a second. Uh, there were coins that did in the last 2 weeks of 2017 10x to 100x. There was Verge, and I also see people are starting to pump Verge. I think it's XVG, something like that coin now. It's a symbol. That coin did like 10,000% return in like a month. That's like I don't know, like at 1,000x in a month or something like that. And people bought it because people pumped it on Coin Market Cap. There was no TikTok. It was just forum on Coin Market Cap. Just kept going up and up. And just insane. And lately, I see people are starting to pump Verge, the privacy coin again. The same coin that was a scam 3 years ago. It's now back. People are talking about it. Why? Because everything is going up in a bull market, and it's the beginning of the end of this round. But before that, I hope that my picks will do 10 to 100x more in the next, I don't know when, but for like 2-3 weeks straight. Remember to cash out. That's the conclusion. Remember to cash out. I'll tell you my story if you remind me after this. Let me go over more questions. But yeah, just take profits. If you don't take profits, then just it's nice to have $100,000 on paper. Trust me, it's nice to look at that. It's a lot less nicer to see it go down and down every day for months and then sell for around break even. That's not nice, and I have to live with that. So this is round two. And I hope for a second comeback, and this time I will be ready to actually cash out. Let's see what we got. What do you think of QuickSwap? Don't know them, haven't heard them other than my comments in the last 48 hours. Just tells you what I think about them. Yeah, that's a great idea. Thank you, Teresa. I hope I pronounced your name correct. What do you think about Uniswap? I love Uniswap. Do you have a price prediction? Yeah, talked about Uniswap in September when it was $3. And I talked about it and I said my price prediction is around 20 to 30. Since then, it went to 40 plus now, but when I mentioned that, people bought it around $2, $3, $4, not at 40. Doesn't mean it can go to 100 plus, but that was my price for that. I'm very happy with the 10x with Uniswap. Get in Uniswap now at $40 when I already had a position at 4. I love Uniswap, but that's a different story. I would love a staking video, Madison. Do a staking video. The problem with that, I can explain everything in theory, but because of the Ethereum gas fees, I would need, I don't know, like you need at least $3 to $5,000 just to make it, sustainable. Because when you move your money from, let's say, MetaMask to a liquidity pool to stake, you need to move some Ethereum to MetaMask if you don't have any already. Then let's say you wanna stake, I don't know, for the example, 50% Ethereum, 50% Bitcoin. That's most of the popular pools. Then you need to convert your Ethereum. You already pay a fee for that from sending your Ethereum from, let's say, Coinbase to MetaMask. That's a fee. Then you need to convert Ethereum to REN BTC. That's like the equivalent of, or REP BTC. It doesn't matter, both of them. and that's a fee. And then you need to put those two in a staking pool. That's another fee. And then you need to approve. I think that's another fee. And if you want to, and then you stake basically, but that's like 3-4 fees, and each fee is like, I don't know, $70 for like less than 1% Ethereum or something like that, which is insane. So that's like, I don't know, like $250, $300 just for the fees. And then if you want not only staking is part one, you can also farm after you stake. So let's say for example 1 inch, and there's a lot of them out there. 1 inch, you can stake 50% Ethereum, 50% 1 inch on the 1 inch platform, and get 60% just on the staking annual return, 60%. But then you click on another 2-3 buttons, and then you farm the liquidity pool rewards that you get from the staking pool, and then you farm for another 73% annual return for like 130% annual return. So it's all fine and great if you have, I would say, at least 5,000 to do all of that, because you're gonna pay $300-400 in fees just to just to do all of that, and to take a risk and do this as a video on YouTube when I don't have, I don't know, 100,000 subscribers that I know that people will actually watch the video. It's problematic to me, basically. I can do it one-on-one on if someone wants to book me. I don't have a problem. Do it on Zoom, and just you can do it, and I can just guide you and tell you what's going on and how to do that. Basically, hope this helped, Madison. I have to keep the coins I have on a wallet like people talk. I have to keep the coins I have on a wallet. Teresa, I assume that your coins are on Coinbase. Write the reply. For me, I don't know what people are talking about. This was the case before Coinbase is legit and public. They were always legit, but now they're public. Before I used the ledger, that's what yes, coin, okay. Before I used the ledger because everyone scared you that there are scams and you're gonna lose all your coins if you leave it on the exchange. My coins are now, I don't know, 90% Coinbase, 10% MetaMask, just to no reason at all. It's all on Coinbase. There's no need for a ledger now. I'll tell you why, because the IRS came with an article a couple of months ago, and they said, hey, if you have coins on Ledger or any other private wallet, when you want to cash out, you need to send those. Let's say you have, I don't know, Ethereum that you bought at 200 and now it's 2,700. You did like 15x in the last 6 months. And you made, I don't know, 20,000, 50,000. Now, if it's on the ledger and you send it to Coinbase, I don't know if it's true, but this was the proposal from the IRS. Coinbase will have to verify you. Where did you get those coins? Send them documents. How much did you buy for? All for tax purposes. And if you can't provide documentation, they're not going to let you have your coins from Ledger into Coinbase, which you seriously need in order to cash out to your bank account. So after that article, I stopped using Ledger. Everything is on Coinbase. If I want to cash out, I just convert it to my bank account, and that's it. That's basically it. And people need to know about this memo from the IRS. They're not playing around. If you have money in a ledger and you think you're hiding from everyone else, eventually you want to cash out. And when you want to cash out, you'll have to do it from Coinbase. And I assume if you're going to be, I don't know, smart about it and try to cash it with PayPal or Cash App or Trust Wallet and all that stuff, they're all connected. They're all connected. No one is going to let you just cash out without the IRS knowing. And I prefer to them to know and have my money on Coinbase. and that's it, instead of them locking my transfer, whatever the case is. That's hope this helps, Teresa. And she says, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Let's see what else we got. What is your guess on price prediction for 1 inch? I don't have price prediction. Higher and higher. It was 650 like a month ago. So now it's 550. I talk about it when it was like $4, $4.20. A month ago it was 660 something as a whole time high. Let's say call it $1 from here. It's not even $1 billion market cap. That's the key here. It's not even a $1 billion market cap. That's my point. What do you think about Ripple? Do you know that if you do a video about Ripple on YouTube, I can do a video I can start a YouTube channel now. No subscribers, nothing, out of nowhere. And my first video will be about Ripple, and I will get insane amount of views and subscribers. Why? Because it's a popular coin. That's all. I don't like Ripple, never have, and guess what? 90% of my followers disagree with me. I don't know why. I did my own due diligence. Everyone else are saying something else. I guess we just have to wait and see. At the end of the day, there's enough coins that can make you wealthy, and not just Ripple. If it goes to the moon, and if it goes bust, is something to consider. Opinion on Dogecoin, same thing. Start a YouTube channel, do a video about Doge, put the title Dogecoin going to the moon. Even better, put the title I just bought Dogecoin and it's going to $100 with like a shocking face. You're gonna get like 100,000 views on this one video. Why? Because everyone liking Doge. Doge, if you don't know what it is, it's a code. There's no real use. There's no value. It's a code that was written years ago as a joke, and because it's pumping by Elon Musk on Twitter and Mark Cuban, and it's on Robinhood, and a lot of new investors that don't really search that are buying Doge because it's easy, free, and it's cheap. The price, but not the market cap. Market cap is like $40 billion. Just goes to show you where 1 inch and where Doge is. What's the potential here? It's useless. With that being said, in a bull market, even scam and useless coins, they go up. Same in stocks. Just remember when to get in and when to get out to actually profit from that, and not on paper. That's what I have for Doge. Mr. Nathan, can you please do eBay video? Yeah, it's in my to-do list. It's in my to-do list. I will get to all those videos one day at a time, eventually. If anyone wants me to do a personal review, there's a link in my videos to book me. 45 minutes. I would be happy to do a one-on-one review on whatever stock that you want, so we can go over financials and find the fair value instead of waiting, I don't know, 2-3 months until I will reach all the stocks that I have to do in my to-do list. So that's something to consider. Basically, do you follow Nano? No. The NNMD. NNMD, okay. NNDM. Yeah, if so, what do you think about this company and 3D printing industry? NNDM, guys, while it is, what's the price now? Like $6 once I check a week ago, and 3 months ago it was almost $20, like 16, 17. And NNDM is a company that is basically like in a small Super small city, 10 minutes from my original hometown back in Israel. That's about NNDM. But 3D printing industry as a whole is the future. Not just this industry, but it's part of the future industries as a whole. Are they gonna be the winner in this industry? I don't think so. Are they gonna get pumped a whole lot when this industry as a whole will pump? Definitely. But is it like a long-term hold, buy and hold, set it and forget it value stock? My opinion, definitely not. Doesn't mean you can't make money. Just remember when to get in, when to get out, basically. What stock or crypto are you currently holding? Doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter. What are your picks for this week? If I'm gonna tell you, let me reply back to Nathan. If I'm gonna tell you this is the stocks that I'm holding, doesn't matter because you don't know when did I buy, how much did I invested, what's the percentage of this from my portfolio, what's my life situation, and that it's all variable. That doesn't matter. If you are buying, you gotta buy something, stocks, crypto, both of those industries that has real value, real case, real, I don't know, technology, use base, the community, good management, value behind it, and future that it will actually be here in a couple of years when the dust will settle and more than 10,000 crypto coins, less than 100 will be here. Same as the dot com bubble. There were, I don't know how many stocks, dot-com stocks were 20 something years ago. How many are left? But the ones that are left, look at them now compared to 25 years ago. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and I would say maybe 10 others, maybe 10 total even. From, I don't know, 1,000 plus dot-com bubble stocks. Where are they all now? It's the same thing with crypto. And they all pumped insane before 2000. And now there's not a lot, but the ones that survived could make you insane amount of money. So that's the case with crypto. And that's the same case with stocks. You just buy stuff that are valuable and will be here a decade from now. Assuming you buy at the right price, basically. So it doesn't really matter which stocks or crypto do I have. So let's say I put, I don't know, I buy a crypto for $1,000, and for me it's the world, or I buy crypto for $10,000, and for me it's I don't know, 10% of my portfolio, and I just throw money because I made, I don't know, 10x on another coin. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. You just follow the principles and you should be okay long term. I hope this helped. What are your picks for this week? This week almost ends, and I don't think about buying stocks for a week or crypto. I think for years ahead. What do you think of 1inch? Check my TikTok. I did a video about them like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days ago. I gave my opinion about that. If you guys don't know me, my TikTok is Finance After 40 as well. So if you follow me here, you can follow TikTok as well. Check our stronghold SHX. It will be like buying Ripple under $1. That's what I'm saying, guys. Just listed on Coinbase. Not able to trade. Seriously. Good to know. SHX. What's that? What's the coin name? SHX. Good to know. I thought it was a spam, but if it's on Coinbase Pro maybe. What is SHX? Enlighten me. I like Coinbase because it's easy to liquidate to US dollar. Yeah, that's basically it. Is MetaMask or Trust Wallet still okay? Yeah, I use MetaMask. I don't see any problem with that. There are so many crypto apps. Don't use any of them. Never have, never will. I use Coinbase on my laptop and I use MetaMask on my laptop, never on my phone. Because you don't know what you're going to download when you download an app. And that's it. Can buy SHX on Lobster Wallet. Sounds legit. With XLM. They are IBM DeFi. I hope you can read what I just said. You can buy SHX on Lobster Wallet. Just this sentence, Lobster Wallet. Do you think it's legit? Hello, but please enlighten me if it's about to go on Coinbase, if it's on Coinbase Pro. What is SHX? What's the name of the coin instead of just the symbol? Hello, I discovered you on TikTok today, and then I checked out your channel here. Thank you for that. I liked your videos on Activision Blizzard. That was months ago, but yeah, definitely a good one. I've been watching them for a little while and picked up some today. I still like Activision. It's the Call of Duty company. They make Call of Duty, and this is the entire world, the entire half a nation in America is playing Call of Duty, basically 24/7. So yeah, I need to do an update video on Activision. I did one, I don't know, when my channel was super early, super new. But Activision Blizzard, this is the power of the Buffett formula. I think I found the fair value was like 100. I don't really remember. It is now, give or take. Basically. So I need to do an Activision Blizzard update. Yeah, but grab the value investing formula from the Excel. Getting into investment, any practical advice people overlook? Ignore meme coins, hype coins. If you are going that route, which many people do, get in, get out when you have get out and cash out when you can, and don't think it will go to the moon and left holding the bag, crypto or stocks. And educate yourself. That's the best advice. Educate yourself. Everything is available online to do so. And reach out if you need help, one-on-one phone call. Is Fubo TV gonna be big? I really hope so. I love them very much. Really hope so. It's in my portfolio. Cute girl Maga. Yeah. Cute girl Megs. Okay. Yeah, I love Fubo. I made so low because you're watching it every day and think you better get out. Good stock to rebound. Yeah. No spam. I love your live stream. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you for that. Doge Fodder Coin 1000x potential. Elon Gate, Elon tweet. Share this to everyone. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Spam in the comments. SHX Flare. CEO mentioned it. Arrington affiliate somehow. And Coinbase just listed it on Price Tracker. There's a different story between Price Tracker and Coinbase. Literally no market cap. Okay, IBM connected. IBM connected to like 1,000 coins. Don't think it's unique. Space stocks seem to be up and coming. Do you have a favorite? Yeah, I did a video about that as well, about a month ago. Top 8 stocks that will beat ARKX Space ETF. Check my video for that. Yeah, definitely. Voyager Digital ID for analysis. I don't follow them. No, I don't follow them. Basically. We have reached the end of this question. Let me put this again, guys, so you know what's going on. Give me a second. Feel free to ask more questions. Here is If someone wants to donate some Ethereum, this is my Ethereum address. Yeah, this is my MetaMask Ethereum address. Feel free, whatever that you feel valuable for you. I don't know if you can do a donation on YouTube. I know when I did TikTok lives, people gave me gifts and gifts and gifts. I don't know how it works on YouTube. Still new to YouTube at the end of the day. But if you gain any value, this is my Ethereum address. It will help me get to my destination, as they say. Speaking of space talk, I think Starlink will be huge. I'm sure it will, but depends where it will open. I like, yeah, MNMD. This is the new hyperstock, the psychedelic one, and I've seen a lot of Reddit people talk about it. Went on the Nasdaq after being on the over the counter. Mushroom stock for mental health. Yeah, the more the more it's being pumped on Reddit, the more it will go up, regardless of financials or value or anything like that. When it goes to IPO, that is, yeah, I also have a lot of Palantir. I did a video, two videos about Palantir. I really suggest you watch my videos about Palantir and see how the insiders are selling shares on the retail traders, and retail traders just ignore that and think that Palantir will go to the moon. Thank you for your time. You're welcome, Teresa. Do you have a Bitcoin address for donation? I do on Coinbase. Be honest with you, I'm 90% Ethereum and Ethereum altcoins, and 10% or less Bitcoin. I don't like Bitcoin. Never have. No, thank you for. I do, but Ethereum is the key for me. Unless you say I'm gonna send you, I don't know, one Bitcoin or half a Bitcoin, then I'm gonna find that address for you. All I need is half. Think about it. I don't know if you saw my live couple of like last week. I shared my story. I have about 35,000 debt in Israel that just from like 6 years ago that prevents me from going there. And while I have the knowledge, I made tons of mistakes financially as well. Just human. That's at the end of the day. So this debt of about 35,000, give or take, depends on the interest, prevents me from going to Israel. And my dad, he has a lot of health issues, cancer. I don't want to say that every live. So when I think about, wow, 35,000, that's a lot. And now when I think about it, that's half a Bitcoin. That's crazy. I had half a Bitcoin in the past. You sell, you cash out, you sell too early, you buy the wrong stuff. Every mistake in the book I have made in the last, I don't know, so many years. So yeah, that's what it stakes. At stake, and that's my aim. Half a Bitcoin. That's all. That's pretty crazy. Wow, Bitcoin. It's almost 60K. So yeah, that's. Let me know, guys. I came across your TikTok months ago. Okay, made a pretty penny. Okay, thank you kindly for your content. Immigrated to Germany recently, incidentally, a crypto tax haven. Yes, yes, it is, as far as I know. Glad you made money, Mr. Just Howie. Feel free to share back the love with some Ethereum and the link above here. I'm glad you make some money. Any low cap token you recommend? No, not really. This is me reminding you about the Verge story cashing out in 2017. Yeah, I talked about it 30 minutes ago. Learning about when the party is over. Yeah. The only people that make money on Verge is everyone on paper and the developers that cashed out, basically. Only reason I ask is that all that's on my Coinbase currently. You know what? Mm, can you, Mr. Valar Morgulis? Game of Thrones. I don't know how to call you, Valar Morgulis. I love Game of Thrones. You can just send me a message on one of my videos, like a DM. I'll get my Bitcoin Coinbase wallet address. That would be helpful. I apologize. I didn't know how to call you, and then I actually saw Valar Margolis. But yeah, I don't want to go to Coinbase now. Open the app, post it here. I don't want to waste everyone's time. Please send me a DM on my videos, and I will appreciate it, brother or sister. I don't know. Valor Margulis. That's uh, wow. I forgot the Arya Stark. Damn, it was like a year ago. God bless you. Thank you. And bring you to your homeland to spend time with your father. It will come. Thank you, Mr. John. I found you from TikTok and you have very great content. Thank you, Mr. Technically Fundamental. Thank you for that. Good vibes for you and your family. Thank you, everyone. I do have a request from you. I recently came across your TikTok. I have never invested. I know nothing about stocks or crypto. My family never knew anything about any of these things either. What's the question? I really enjoy your knowledge and method of speaking. Thank you. It's the first time I feel like I can understand any of these things. Thank you. I was hoping you would make some videos for very beginners who wants to get into these things and learn. After that, yes, I would like to schedule a one-on-one. First, I need some basics. Uh, as for basics, there's the basic open Coinbase account and watch 10,000 videos on YouTube of everyone. Not me. There's a lot of good people there, not just me. And they talk basics and search everything that you want about coins that you want to learn before you buy. You can't just click a button and hope for it to go up, even though that's the case in the last couple of months. But that's more luck in a bullish run than basically fundamentals. I don't really do beginners content because I try to focus on the fundamentals of specific coins or stocks instead of telling you this is how you buy a stock. At the end of the day, if you want to buy a stock, go to Robinhood, open an account, click buy. Apple, Amazon, whatever that you want. Is it going to get you far? Not really, but this is how you buy a stock. As for crypto, same thing, just with Coinbase. You gotta learn and learn and learn. It's not in one day. It's not in one day. On the other side, people that just bought Dogecoin and got into this market 3 months ago, 2 days later, open Robinhood account, bought Dogecoin for 1 penny, and they are up 40 times their money 3 months later. Do they know what they're doing? No, but they're making money. So that's this market eventually will come crashing on all of us. I don't know when, but it will happen. So that's what I have, John. I know it's not what you want to hear, but I'm not to do super beginners. You just gotta open an account and buy your first, I don't know, $100 worth of Bitcoin. It's not gonna make you rich, but that's how people start. No worries, sir. I will convert for you. Thank you. Margolis, thank you. I really enjoy your knowledge. Thank you. Brother, let's see what else we got. Any tokens you recommend to buy? Not main tokens like Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. Yes, but that's a different story. It's 9:30, guys. So I'm gonna finish reading, and we're gonna head out till the next time. Can you explain Bitcoin options expiration and how it affects the price? Maybe in another live, but yeah, that's in another live, not now. Mr. Drazen, I'm 39. I got into investing in February. Damn, really got down 1,000 and now have closed to 200. I'm learning. I'm avoiding hype stuff and long term. Got into Merrick at a good time and ATT. Okay, thank you, thank you. I hope this was valuable, guys. If I bring you value, there's a link for some Ethereum if you want to share the love. Appreciate you all. Thank you. And I will see you on the next live, hopefully tomorrow, but I can't promise that. I'll see you next time. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.